Hi, I'm Mike Simmons. I work for the Boulevard Home. I've been with the company for 23 years. I'm actually an inside technician, go out on the road once in a while to help out customers. Today we're going to go over on how to treat your leather, how to take care of it so it lasts you as long as you need it to. Just a little information on leather, it actually has 25% moisture in it. If it's exposed to any kind of heat sources like sunlight, heating vents, the environment that we live in, it actually will dry out the leather quicker. So you need to kind of pay attention to that a little bit. When you do clean your leather, you don't want to use any harsh chemicals. For an example, a 409 cleaner or leather cleaner that's got oils in it, like with your car seats that has oils in it, that is okay for it. This is a home leather, it's not an outdoor leather, so you want to make sure you don't get no oils in there because the oils will actually build up and they won't penetrate through the leather to protect it. Okay, so the product that we use, there is actually a cleaner and there is a protection. So what you want to do is do your cleaner first, and there's a little towel that comes with it that you can actually use, or you can use a soft cloth to do it with. Your leather cleaner takes the dirt and some oils off your leather piece. The protection is to protect it from moisture loss. Some people have the tendency when they put things on, they do a rub. You actually want to do a circular motion to it. So you don't want to rub it in because the fibers in the material will actually start balling up a little bit. So do a circular motion on your leather. Don't put a lot of pressure to it or anything like that. So you put your cleaner on your whole leather sofa or your leather chair, let it dry for about 10 minutes, then you go ahead, put your protection on and do it the same way and let it dry for about 15 minutes. After that, you'll be good to actually sit on it and do what you do, watch TV. Anyways, that is a simple way you can actually get this at Boulevard Home. You can actually go online and actually look up leather cleaner, but you got to remember, do not get an oil base. Make sure if you get somewhere else to make sure it's a water base. Okay, so there's one more thing that I really want to hit on. We get a lot of calls on fading on leather. The leather feels like it's drying out or anything like that. It's not just your heat sources that actually does it, it's actually your body chemicals. If you get a person that perspires a lot, a person that takes medication and everything, there's certain kind of medications that will actually seep into the leather and dry it out quickly. You're going to have to clean it a little bit more with a warm, damp rag. Just keep in mind with your body chemicals, it does react to your leather sofa. So here in southern Utah, we suggest to actually do it every 3 months on your treatments. A damp cloth in between that. The east and the west coast and everything like that, manufacturers suggest twice a year. But go ahead and check with your manufacturer the location you're at, and they'll give you a little bit more specifics on how to clean that and how often to clean it. So with your damp cloth and everything, like I said before, you know, just use it in between your treatment. What I tell other customers is actually when you do your house cleaning, to do it at that time. So some people will do it every day, some people do it every other day. I would just actually do it when you do your house cleaning, and so it's in a routine for you. Okay, so whatever you're comfortable with, you could actually open it up the right way. Make sure you pull the tab so you got liquid coming out. You could do this either way, whatever you feel comfortable with. I usually just kind of squirt it on a little bit like this, okay? And then I just wipe it down. Now it's going to foam up a little bit. That's fine, don't stress out. It's just how it's going to be. And just make sure you get down into the crevices. Just kind of make sure you go in that circular motion as much as possible. Sometimes it's hard. And like I said, let it set for about 10 minutes. And then it'll dry out and you can apply your protection with it. So it's going to be the same thing. Make sure this one's going to fight me. Holy smokes. Make sure you shake this up just a little bit though, okay, because you got some of the settlements that will settle on the bottom. Okay, like I said, you can do whatever you feel comfortable with. I kind of just little bit at a time, you don't need a whole bunch. And on this here, just make sure you just rub it in real good. And again, make sure you get down in the crevices and everything like that. Okay, so kids, they bring in dirt. You don't have to go a full treatment if you just want to get off dirt. You can actually just use your cleaner, okay? Or again, you can actually use just a damp rag, okay? So just go ahead, and I just put it on the rag this time just to get the footprints or any kind of shoe marks. If you want to apply the protection just because you feel like you need to, go ahead and wait that 10 minutes and then apply your protection back on. But otherwise, if you're just taking off little prints, shoes, feet, whatever, you can just use the cleaner. Thanks for watching. If you want to know about any more furniture tips or any information, please subscribe. Peace out.